Hey folks, got a little squeaking noise. Sounds like little birds. It's usually a sign of a bad, dry belt. I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to show you what I see. You hear from out here the little bird noise. Alright, let me shut it off. Alright, let's get a flashlight, get a better look. Alright. You see closely. Try to do it in an angle so you can see it. You can actually see the crack in the belt. And from here, try to do it. Little reflection there. How about that? See a little cracks in the belt? It's all along the ribbing. Okay, that means it's all the way around on the whole belt. See another spot we look at? How about here? See it better? See the cracks? So it's about to go. Alright, once it gets cracked past those ribbing, you're going to get to the flat spot of the belt, and then it's going to cut, it's going to snap. And once it snaps, you lose everything. Your water pump doesn't spin, your power steering, your AC, your alternator. So eventually kills the battery, you overheat, and it dies somewhere on the road. Alright, so replace it when you can. We'll be replacing this one. We're going to suggest it to the customer. Alright. Thanks for watching. This is a Subaru, by the way.